The Kauai real estate home numbers are not telling the whole story, and when we look at just the month of January, you'll see what I mean. Impacting the Kauai home numbers is the shift buyers made to purchasing condominiums. Holy smokes, this segment of our market is having a moment. So make sure that you subscribe to whatever channel that you're watching this on so you can see that video. You don't want to miss what's happening with Kauai condominiums. Let's look at the numbers of Kauai home sales for the month of January 2025 and compare that to the end of January 2024, where island-wide we had sold a total of 30 homes, this year 29, a 33.33% decrease, but the South Shore flipped that number on its head, and they had a nice 33.33% increase, going from 6 homes sold last year to 8 this year. The North Shore was just about even, going from 10 to 9 total sales. It's a 10% decrease. Lihue had 3 sales, this year 1, a 66.67% decrease. Looking at just the month of January and comparing that to January of 2024, we went from 30 homes sold to 29, days on market slightly increased from 68 to 72, and the sold to the original list price, meaning before any price reductions were done, was pretty even, going from 90.54% in January of 2024 to 91% this year. The lack of home sales is skewing the island-wide median price, which went from $1,411,500 last year to $1,325,000 this year, a 6.13% drop. South Shore was off slightly, going from $1,695,500 to $1,625,000, a 4.16% decrease. North Shore is down 12.26%, going from $2,080,000 to $1,825,000. Lihue's one sale this last January sent the median price down by 48.59%, going from $1,595,000 to $820,000. Feel free to reach out to me to see how these numbers relate to you, and have a wonderful day. Aloha.